Titira ng 6 months. Meron drill na 2:30. Nakatapos na kami ng dalawang training. I try plant-based eating again. All vegetables. Day 1 to my cabin. Ngayon ay mag-unpack tayo ng mga items. Kit kami nakuha. Bring your own bed sheets, bed linen for a double size twin, for a twin size. May sarili akong sheet. So natapos na ako mag-unpack ng gamit ko. Ito yung mga hindi masyadong gagamitin, tsaka ibang supplies, some toiletries. This is my damitan. OC level 1000. Never mind this top one. I'm still gonna fix that. Ito yung tsura ng crew gym dito sa Star Princess. Napawis lang ako. Hindi ako masyadong makatulog ng maayos. Yan, ganda. May patubig. May rack. Squat rack. Maraming equipment. Magaganda. Okay. Ito na ang aking bagong tambayan dito. Welcome dito sa Star Princess Crew Gym. Meron pa silang punching bag. Sa akin, hindi ko nadala yung ibang gamit ko. May mga elliptical, spinners, treadmill, spinners. Kompleto sa equipment, maganda. Meron din sila dito, passenger gym. Okay din naman. Pwede rin kami gumamit doon. Sa mga favorite kong workout machines. Buwan lang natin dito. Smith machine. Warm up. Tapos na yung workout ko, tinapos ko nung cycling. Maganda yung cycling. Naka 2 miles din ako. Medyo pinagpawisan na. Lamig dito. Next time magamit ako ng jacket. At ayun na yung Vancouver sa likod. Padak na kami. It's 6:15 AM here. October 8, 2018. Current weight today, 182 pounds. Target ko mag 165 ulit. On day 4 dito sa cabin. Dito sa Star Princess Cruise. Yesterday nasisik ako, nasuka ako twice. Kaya napa-sick leave, hindi ako nakapag-duty in the morning. Ngayon walang masyadong alon kaya masarap yung tulog. Yan, nung nasisik ako kahapon, na-injection na ako sa puwet ng gamot. Tapos nakatulog ako mahaba. Nung sa afternoon, nakapasok na ako sa work. So, medyo okay na ngayon. So, pag nandito ako sa ship, marami rin kayong training na gagawin. Yung mga first month yun, napakaraming training ng computer training, mga drills. And so, natapos ko isa sa mga training na requirements sa akin. So, we have 2 more days to go before Hawaii. And I'm wearing the Hawaiian shirt for the Hawaiian cruise. So, welcome back to my channel. Ito na ang cruise life here in Star Princess Cruises Line under Carnival Cruise. So, expect nyo pagdating nyo sa barko, marami kayong training na gagawin. Yung computer-based training, mga drills, tapos meron ding training para sa environmental protection, mga ganyan. Ito, naka-Hawaiian shirt kasi kami. 2 days na lang nasa Hawaii na kami. We have 5 days, sea days from Vancouver going to Hawaii. Yun, 5 araw. Dahil sa casino kami nag-work, everyday open yung casino. Pag nasa port, sarado yung casino. So, marami kaming time nun. Makagala ako sa ship on my port manning duties. In port manning, kasi hindi pa ako makakalabas ng first day sa Honolulu, Hawaii. I'll be an in-port manning staff. So, mag-stay kami dito para kung sakali may mangyari sa barko, kami yung ma-assign. Ganun yun. Good evening, this is my evening uniform. My bow tie coat. I'm from the casino department from the Philippines, Princess Cruise. Roldan Pelaya. Subscribe kayo dyan. Ito lang itsura ng cabin, no? Isang paikot lang. Yun yung cabin mate ko. Ako doon ako sa baba. Ito ang buhay sa cruise ship. Trabaho lang ng trabaho pag nasa sea kayo. Pag nasa casino kayo, open ang casino kapag nasa sea. Kasi may mga batas na kapag nakadock, bawal yung casino mag-open. So pag cruise pa puntang Hawaii, 5 days yun, dire-diretso. Araw-araw may pasok. So, malapit na kami sa Hawaii. Ano na lang, 18 hours to go. Darating na kami sa Honolulu, Hawaii, sa first contract here sa Star Princess. Ito kagandahan dito, pag break time, pwede ka pumunta sa cabin, pwede ka mag-toothbrush, pwede ka umupo, humilata konti. Yan. Welcome to Hawaii, Honolulu. I'm here, but I cannot go outside. Ito yung Hawaii nasa likod natin. Welcome to Hawaii. First time here. Ayan, ito yung ship namin. Princess Cruise. So after 1 week of cruise ship life, I'm here in my cabin. And after sailing 5 days at sea from Vancouver, we arrived here in Honolulu, Hawaii. So now I cannot go outside because I'm in the import manning staff, IPMs. It is well known that you have to stay in the ship. When something happens here, you're the staff that's going to take care of the ship and the emergencies that will happen. So I cannot go outside. Maybe tomorrow I can go outside na. And earlier we had the I-95 where the immigration went to the office and gave us the permit so we can go outside of the port when we are off duty. We can travel around the island. Yeah, there, that's it. Now I did my laundry. I did some cleaning on my cabin. The cabin is just like this. It's around 6 meters by 3 meters, so 18 square meters. So it's for 2 persons. You have a comfort room, your cabinets, you have a table. They provide cable TV. They also have TFC. So I stay here in the bottom and my cabin mate is on top. So as far as my experience, when we went sailing on the first day, it was a rough sea from Vancouver. So the next day we opened the casino. I wasn't able to report for work because I vomited twice. It was so bad that I need the medicine injected on my butt. Then in the afternoon, I felt better. I slept all day. Then I went for work. Then we had a smooth sailing until now. That's my first week here in the cruise ship life as a casino supervisor. Soon I'll teach you some tips on what you need to learn, what you have to do so you can join the cruise ship. If you're a casino dealer there in the Philippines or outside, you need to have a lot of games because you will be maximized here and you're gonna work more than 8 hours. Usually we work 8 hours in the Philippines, but here we work more than 8 hours, but we need to have a rest. The rest is important here on the ship. They had standards for rest of the people, of the staff, so it's well taken care of. You're not going to be overworked here. You had proper rest and time for yourself. So that's my first week here in the cruise ship of Princess Cruises. I'm just telling my experiences here. I'm not speaking as a representative of the company, so that's good.